We are live on June 15th. The Boston Bruins have just won the Stanley Cup. Danny Naumann, how do you feel? Exactly, Dan. Just kind of looking at the bottle of scotch that you drank to celebrate 18-year Macallan, Cuban. So Naumann, first time in 39 years they've brought the cup to Boston. How do you feel, pal? Do you wish you were back in Boston right now, celebrating with the boys? What do you think, this is better than the Red Sox winning the World Series in 2004? Or do you think this is the highlight? Personally, for me, I think it's better than the Celtics, better than the last two Patriots Super Bowls, probably a notch below the Red Sox winning the World Series, and a notch probably at the same, the Patriots winning that first Super Bowl. What do you think? Well, I think that's all we have to really hear, Dan. I totally agree with you full-heartedly, and I think the moral of the story is the Bruins are now Stanley Cup champions for the 6th time. You'll be home for the rolling rally, and you get to celebrate in Boston.